You're watching Theme Park Worldwide, where I'm here on Hypercoaster at the Land of Legends in Turkey. Now this ride stands at 200 foot and it also features one of the largest loops anywhere in the world at 160 foot tall. And talking of that loop, you can see the track for it here just behind me. The lift hill passes right through the middle of this huge loop. Now yes, this is 200 foot. It also gives you a bit of an idea on what Project Exodus will be like at Thorpe Park if it gets planning permission. That's going to be about 30 foot taller than this. Here we go, it's back row. Woo! Woo! Oh my god! Woo! Yes! Woo! The hang time! Oh wow! Woo! Ready for the air time! Way! Woo! Hypercoaster! Woo! Oh wow! Woo! More air time! Way! Woo! And this coaster really warms up throughout the day. Oh yes! Woo! It's that zero G roll! Woo! Oh! Brilliant! Woo! Mack Rides! Woo! Fantastic! Woo! Oh! I love that S-bend there! Woo! More airtime! Whee! I tell you what, that coaster really does warm up. It's a brilliant ride, and we're just going to hope now that Thorpe Park's Project Exodus does get planning permission, because yeah, we're going to be looking at a ride similar to this. Mack Rides, same sort of train design, and even a huge lift hill like that, but another 30 odd foot taller, which is absolutely crazy. Let's hope it gets permission. Obviously Exodus does look quite short, however, you know, this ride is absolutely brilliant. It shows though if them plans for Thorpe were extended a little bit, and we'll be in for a ride like this with the length of it. Absolutely crazy. A brilliant roller coaster. It's Hypercoaster, not the best name, here at the Land of Legends. Check out the vlogs if you've not already seen them, and get out there and keep on riding. See you in the next video.